Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. First of all, I would like to thank everybody that joined my World Series of Trading team on Bybit. If you haven't joined yet or you don't have an account, please go to the description and create a Bybit account through the first link. And once you collected your bonus, you just click the second link, and then from there you are in my team. Now, also, if you are in my team, then during the period of the competition, you can use the Scalper 1 indicator. This is a buy and sell indicator, and yeah, it's really handy to use. Now, first of all, guys, I would like all my soldiers in my Telegram that we are looking at the same charts. So you start with a blank chart, and then from there on you add the next indicator. So first of all, you draw your trend lines, as I showed in the video that I posted a few days ago with that trend line indicator. So that's this one, and you just go from the time frames from the daily to the 12-hour to the 4-hour, and you just draw over the most important lines with the most confluence. Then the second indicator is the Fu B indicator. I also created a video of that. It should be free, of course. Then you add the Fu B indicator, okay. And the second one that you add is the TTC RSI indicator. I also created a video of that, and all three videos are in my playlist. So just go to my channel to playlist, and there you select how to start trading Bitcoin for beginners, and there are those videos in. So the video from how to draw the trend lines with the indicator, the Fu B, and the TTC RSI indicator. So now, once you have the Scalper 1 indicator, you can see that, let me zoom in, if you zoom out and you zoom back in, so from the daily to the 5 minute, 3 minute, you can use it on different time frames. So first of all, this thing literally called the top right here, and here at this doji it's at sell. So right here at the bottom it says buy. So this thing literally called the top and called the bottom. And you can zoom into the 12-hour time frame. Here you can see buy. Look what happened. You see sell right here at this green high Kanashi candle. So 41,500 all the way down to 37,000. Right here buy 30,000. Where are we now? 49,000. Here a smaller one. Now, they are not all 100% accurate, but I'm going to show you guys a little trick, and that's why you need these other two indicators for. So this indicator works best at the high Kanashi candles. So you go to your candles, and there you select high Kanashi. It also works with normal candles, but I prefer high Kanashi. I'm going to show you why. Now, this is the daily. If you take the normal candles, it didn't show the top. It did show the bottom, but the high Kanashi candles just seem more accurate in my experience. So what we are going to do now is, this is a scalper indicator. So this indicator is made to make small moves for leverage trading, exactly as we're going to do on Bybit. So I came from the daily, and then you can zoom in, but I prefer the 15-minute and the 5-minute, but I'm going to show you fast what I mean. So let me take here the 4-hour. We had a sell signal. The Fu B indicator was above the 60 line, and here you can see that the RSI indicator is curving slightly down. So if you see that the momentum is going down, you get the sell signal, you are above the 60 level, then look what kind of a move this gave. This is on the 4-hour, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys, this is a 3.6% move. If you play that with 10x leverage, that's 36%. Now, let me zoom in to the 1-hour time frame. It can take a while to load, but again, here you see the Fu B is down below 60 level. We are getting a buy signal, and we are not below in oversold territory, but you see that the RSI is curving up slightly. So that's an entry, and that's another. We could have taken another 35% on 10x leverage. So what I'm willing to show you here is that here you see that we have a sell signal, but we are still in the red. So while we are in the red, we don't take entries. We only take entries when we have a sell signal, we are above the 60, and we curve into the white. So a combination of all three. And when you see this happening, you can take a short, and you have taken this move. So let me say that you see it from here. It's another 36%. Right here. Yeah, this is the 1 hour, guys. So, but you see this thing, this is pretty accurate if you stay consistent at the curvings down. You know, see what I mean? So here we have a sell signal, but the RSI is still going up. So you don't take that, and you also don't take it when you are still in the red. If you take it, then you take it when you curve into the normal territory. Now, let me zoom in to the 15-minute. We're at the 15-minute. What do I see? So, 15-minute. Let me take this one. We have a buy signal. You see that the RSI is curving up, and the Fu is below 60. See, right here. It's a nice buy. Here we see a cluster of sell signals. We are right here. So as long as this thing is going up, you don't take it. When you see a red Heiken-Nashi candle, and you see the RSI coming down, that's where you take the buy, the sell, the short. Here, this is a beautiful one. You see the signal. The Heiken-Nashi candle is still red. We are oversold. And you see that we are going up. This is a buy, right? Now, why I asked you guys to draw the trend lines first is because here we are against a trend line, a resistance line. We're getting a sell signal. The Fu B is above 60. We are overbought. Look what happened. All the way down. Also, guys, these purple signals, let me show you. If you go to the indicator settings, you can remove these signals and you just keep the filtered signals. So this one should have stayed right here, and this one, see what happened after it. So yeah, another one. So the filtered ones are the better ones. But that doesn't mean that the regular ones, the normal ones, are bad. That doesn't mean that. So now, if you see that you're overbought or oversold, you just watch the signals. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in again to the 5 minute. Yes, the 5 minute, guys. And here is the most money being made. So right here we have a buy below 60, so we are at 90. So you know that this is deep. The RSI is curving up, so here you already see that the RSI is curving up. We are almost oversold, so that's a great entry. Here we get a sell signal, but the RSI is going up. Yes, we are above 60 on the Fu Manchu, but we did not went into the negative territory, did not curve down. From the moment that you see that this thing is going down, you can take it. Here we are oversold. We have a buy below 60. So here you could have taken this move. This one, oversold or overbought, above 60, sell signal. So the best thing to do is just to stay consistent and take something in your head, like every 0.5% I'm going to take that profit off the table. Here, signal, big green dot below 60, curving back in. Look what happened. And now, guys, we are at this huge trend line. So the bigger trick in this thing is, if you can take a trade, a leverage trade, where you are at a huge resistance or support line that is drawn from the daily time frame, you can add a long there. You can just leave it open for a while. So I'm going to show you guys here. This right here, this zone, this green pie was the perfect bottom of this yellow trend line. This yellow trend line really is a massive trend line. I'm going to show you. So it's literally here that the 3 minute signal came at this trend line. So just created this trend line, and right here the 3 minute signal popped up. Now I know that this is maybe a lot of information, but at the 15 minute this one is working pretty great in my opinion. So I have a lot of signals right now. Yeah. Sell above 60, overbought, down. This one is not overbought, but if, yes, look, once the RSI curves down and we are above 60 and a signal, it's all about getting the best entries, guys. This is the most important thing here. We have this green box, support zone. We have the buy. RSI is curving up. We are below 60. Great move. Here again. Buy. Below 60. Curving up from oversold. And you can have a nice move. Here the same thing. You have to wait till this is curving up. So it's just if you use combinations that you can spot a lot of great trades. This thing is also working on altcoins. So let me here, support line, buy, oversold. Yeah, not below 60, but you are at the support zone. Yeah, here a sell. This one, if it goes down, you take it. Let me go to XRP, just for at the 5-minute XRP. This thing is killing it, really. So, sell. Look what happened. Sell, down, buy, up, sell, failure, buy, up, sell, down, buy, up, sell, down, buy, up. This thing is ripping it up at the 5-minute, buy, up, buy, up. So guys, I mean, this thing doesn't need some more info. I think I'm just using it in a combination, and if you're using it in a combination, then yeah, you can literally make a lot of money with this. So oh, look what's happening now. We have a cluster of sell signals. We had a divergence right here. Oh, nice divergence. Check this out, guys. What a nice divergence this is. So yeah, I told you guys about divergences. Always watch divergences. 5-minute. We are now getting oversold. So this is the time where I get ready to get into a trade. So if you see things like this, get ready. If the 15-minute is oversold or overbought, and you then zoom in to the 3-minute, then you can literally catch moves. I hope that this is making a little bit of sense, guys. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you just need to start feeling it yourself and doing it a few times, just for small money, really small money. Just do it, try it, and yeah, that's the only way you can make profits and learn this thing, because it's really working. So have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and join my team. It's fun, and then you join our Telegram group. The link is also in the description. So guys, I hope that you have learned something at least of this. So I want you guys to get better. Okay, bye guys, bye bye.